Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to favorite brushes in Krita. Krita doesn't have a separate favorites button the way some other art apps do. Instead, it uses the tag system to mark brushes you use often and filter them quickly. To start, open the Brush Presets Docker or the toolbar brush selector so you can see all your available brushes. Next, right-click the brush you want to mark as a favorite. In the context menu, choose Assign to Tag. This brings up the tag list. If a My Favorites tag exists, select it. Krita will now include that brush in the Favorites tag group so you can filter it later. If you don't have a Favorites tag or want a custom one, find the text field at the bottom of the tag dropdown and type in a name. Then click the plus icon next to it. Once tagged, go back to the tag drop-down above the brush list and choose your favorites tag. Only those tagged brushes will show, giving you a curated list you can quickly pick from. You can also use these tags with Krita's pop-up palette, which can be opened by right-clicking on the canvas. Tap the tag icon to switch to your favorites tag so your favorite brushes appear in the radial palette for fast access. And that's how you add your brushes to favorites in Krita. Thanks for watching.